What if you already have an existing interior, but you want to give it the warm and natural look of modern organic design? And what if you're working with only 36 square meters? Well, you don't need a large home to make this style work. In this video, you'll see how this 6 by 6 meter home is transformed into a modern organic design using warm wood, neutral tones, soft curves, and greenery, while making smarter use of every area. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today, and let's design your dream home together. Let's start with the living area. Before, the room already had a complete setup with a sofa, coffee table, rug, TV console, full-height wood paneling, curtains, and storage. But because this is a small home, the large wood treatment around the TV creates more visual weight than we need. So for the new design, we simplify this entire side of the room. Instead of covering the entire TV wall with wood paneling like the previous design, we use vertical wood slats to create a subtle divider while keeping the living area connected to the rest of the space. From there, we add a low wood TV console with softer, rounded corners. Keeping the console low gives you practical storage without covering the entire wall like the previous TV treatment. For the seating, we use a soft, neutral L-shaped sofa, giving you comfortable seating while fitting neatly into the corner. Then we add a round wood coffee table, side table, and an upholstered ottoman. Instead of using too many sharp edges, these rounded pieces introduce softer forms that work naturally with the modern organic style. A large neutral rug anchors the seating area and helps define the living zone from the surrounding spaces. Along the window, we add layered neutral curtains, combining a blackout curtains and sheer curtains for inner layer. The sheer curtain lets filtered daylight enter during the day, while the blackout gives you more privacy and light control when needed. We then add floating wood shelves with a soft curved detail along the back wall, creating a lighter place for simple decor while continuing the organic forms used throughout the space. Touches of greenery bring natural color into the room, while the artwork continues those earthy tones. Finally, we layer the lighting with recessed pin lights, LED strip lights, wall lights, and a curved floor lamp, while a wood ceiling fan adds another natural element overhead. So instead of relying on one large feature wall, the new living area gets its character from wood, texture, curves, greenery, and softer layers working together to create that warm, natural feel of modern organic design. Next is the dining area, where we make one of the biggest changes in how the space is used. Before, we had a traditional rectangular dining table surrounded by individual chairs. It works, but in a compact area, every chair needs space to pull out and move around. So we start by turning the space below the window into a built-in upholstered dining bench. Because the seating sits directly against the wall, we can use this corner more efficiently while still keeping comfortable seating around the table. We then pair it with a rounded wood dining table and 2 upholstered dining chairs. The rounded edges make movement around the table easier, while also introducing another soft form that connects with the rest of the interior. Behind the dining nook, we add window treatment using zebra blinds, giving you flexible control over daylight and privacy without taking up too much visual space. Beside it, a full-height open wood shelving unit uses the vertical space for storage and display without adding another closed cabinet. Then, above the table, we introduce a sculptural pendant light with a flowing organic form. This becomes the main visual feature of the dining nook and reinforces the curved details used throughout the home. A simple botanical artwork and small touches of greenery complete the area without over-decorating it. So even within a limited footprint, the dining area now gives you seating, storage, light control, and a stronger modern organic character without making the corner feel overloaded. From the dining area, the same design language continues into the kitchen. The existing kitchen already uses wood and neutral cabinetry, so instead of changing everything just for the sake of it, we build on that warm foundation. We keep the compact layout, but introduce softer curves around the kitchen opening and peninsula. The curved edge helps connect the kitchen with the rounded forms used throughout the dining and living areas. Warm wood cabinetry provides the natural element, while light cabinets prevent the kitchen from becoming too dark or visually heavy. For contrast, we use a dark backsplash, cooktop, sink, faucet, and selected details. This gives the kitchen definition without taking away from the warmer materials around it. We also continue the wood flooring into the kitchen, but use a lighter finish within the work zone to subtly separate it from the darker herringbone flooring outside. Then for lighting, surface-mounted adjustable spotlights provide focused light around the kitchen, while LED strip lighting below the cabinets gives you additional illumination directly over the worktop. Together, they keep the compact kitchen practical while adding a warm, layered lighting effect. So rather than making the kitchen feel like a separate room, the materials and curved details help it become part of the entire modern organic design. Next, let's move to the entrance area. Before, this area had a wall-mounted shoe cabinet with fluted wall paneling behind it, beside the indoor garden. It provided useful storage, but for the new design, we wanted something that feels lighter and works better with the warm, natural look of the home. So, we replace it with a low built-in wood cabinet, combining closed storage with dedicated open shelves for slippers or shoes. Keeping the cabinet low also leaves more of the wall open, while the long countertop gives you a convenient surface for everyday items as you enter or leave the home. Above it, we add a simple wood shelf with hooks for smaller essentials. And beside the cabinet, the indoor garden becomes an important part of the modern organic design. Instead of treating the greenery as simple decoration, this dedicated garden area brings a stronger connection to nature directly into the home. Together, the warm wood storage, open shoe shelves, and indoor greenery make this small entrance feel more practical, while connecting naturally with the rest of the interior. And that's how we transformed this 36 square meter home into a warm and functional modern organic space. By using natural materials, softer shapes, warm neutral tones, and smarter furniture choices, each area now feels connected while still serving its own purpose. So, if you're working with a small home, you don't always need more space. You just need to be more intentional with how you use it. Which transformation stood out to you the most? The living area, dining area, kitchen, or entrance? Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. If you're a professional or student looking for a faster way to create your floor plans, check out Design Burst Pro, a smarter AutoCAD workflow designed to help you spend less time drafting and more time designing. Click the link below for more information about this digital product. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.